hurry up, we haven't much time. The celebration's about to start.
It's the first day of the rest of my life. Though I'm still too young to be anyone's wife, I can look forward to other things I can do. It'll be fun, it'll be great, I can't wait. At 16, I am nobody's fool. I am young and bright and just super cool. A princess to boot, even rather quite cute. I'll have fun, I'll be great, I can't wait. Today I swim up beyond where there's no water, just what they call air. There are humans who live in dry sod, dressed up in clothing, how odd. They have feet and I'm told water makes them feel cold. This amazing sighting will be so exciting today and my first surface trip. I'll see them in their giant ship. Creatures who aren't sea creatures, and oh, how strange it will be. Who cares? I wanna see. It'll be fun, it'll be great, I can't wait.